we can think is how amazed Brian would be at the very idea of a statue. I mean, he really would. He would never believe it. It's just wonderful. It was quite breathtaking when we went to see it, yes. We went down to Les Johnson and they made lunch for us, and then he said, come on, we'll go and see it. And he opened the door, and of course it was just in the grey, sort of unfinished clay, but it was absolutely incredible. It took our breath away. And he left us on our own just to look at it. He said, anything at all you want changing. And we just looked at each other and we said, it's perfect. Notting people just took him to the heart. You know, they really did, and they still talk about, you know, about those days. And as I said, they loved the football that they saw. They loved going to the games. It was a wonderful time for them all. You know, the European trips, and I mean, we'll never forget them. Any of us. You know, I'll never forget them. Certainly. It's just a wonderful thing. And as I say, I keep saying it, but he would have been amazed. He would really. You know, just at the very idea of the statue. And two, well, I don't know what he would have said, you know. He used to say, didn't he, I hope I've contributed and I hope somebody liked me. So, you know, I think a lot of people did, yes.
Mrs. Barbara Clough will be joining me in just a few moments.